What's up, guys? Welcome back. I don't have much time to explain, much time to talk even. Oh, I'm out of breath. I just ran. We're hopping in the Subaru. We're chasing a Koenigsegg fence because we have a key to a very special car, the Koenigsegg Agera. I think everyone's shot, but there's absolutely everywhere. There's like 30 people here, rightfully so. Come on, start. Boom, let's go. The Koenigsegg in question is the Agera RS. This is a car I can genuinely say, this is absolutely insane. Seeing a Koenigsegg on the road, you gotta love it. Right? It's a Koenigsegg. Like, you gotta love it. There is nothing else like the Swedish Koenigsegg. You gotta bring it back. No plate, no case on that Agera. But dude, it's a Koenigsegg. Like, can you really get any better than that? The mountainous views and the Koenigsegg. So, quick story, this Koenigsegg has been in probably hiding for the longest time. It's a Koenigsegg. You can't beat it. I don't even have words to describe what I'm looking at right now. We're looking at a Koenigsegg Agera. I think 50. Beautiful car, beautiful spec car, beautiful car in all. And of course, the Tesla. Elon, what are you doing? Nothing like driving a 6-speed manual with a Koenigsegg Agera RS right next to you. You gotta love it. You can't beat it. Listen to that V8 twin turbo purr. 2 police officers and a Koenigsegg Agera. That is not okay. Oh, we gotta go. Nothing to see here, Oakland police. Oh, look at that view. Look at that road, dude. With the Koenigsegg. Nothing beats it. Oh, this is just, it's so surreal. It actually is. Like, I usually am very numb to cars because I do this for a living. But it is so surreal seeing a Koenigsegg in person. It's like I'm a little kid every single time I see one. And driving with one and knowing the owner of one like decently well is actually, I love it so much. And it's all because of photography and because of you guys. And it's honestly such a fun experience. And I wish you guys were sitting in the passenger seat with me. The Koenigsegg Agera. See John in this Koenigsegg. There's a lot of Ferraris. This 812 Competizione. This is Harry's. And then right here, I reckon this spec is better in the green. No offense to Harry, but this green on silver is something very special. Look at that spec. I don't know exactly how we lose the Koenigsegg, but do I hear it behind me? No. I don't know exactly how we lose the Koenigsegg, but there's some very special cars here. There's an F40 right over there. The Koenigsegg is right there, but right behind it is an F40, Pagani Huayra, and the LaFerrari with a silver roof. Look at that. It's an interesting spec LaFerrari. I've never seen one with a silver roof. The LaFerrari, the F40 right behind it. Oh, that view, I reckon. I can't even say that because we just did rollers with a Koenigsegg. That's probably the best view. So we're stepping over the fence because we have a key to a very special car.
What?
Stepping over the fence because we have a key to a very special car, the Koenigsegg Agera. This car is so special in the blue carbon fiber with the gold accents on it. And look at that. I've never noticed this before, but the tow hook on it is red and it's in the front surrounded by carbon fiber. But the interior on this spec, but the key is so much smaller than the CCX. If you guys remember, I have a picture with the CCX key and is significantly smaller. All right, enough for this for now. We're gonna see a lot of this later, but I wanna go over there because there's something very special, a piece of history per se. And the piece of racing history, the Michael Schumacher F1 car. This is from Top Gear Porsche. Sean, good guy. he's had this car for so long, and I'm so surprised to see it in the daylight. It is actually insane seeing it here. This car is so special. Michael Schumacher racist, allegedly, but look at that right there. Schumacher. Going from the Koenigsegg, we're gonna cruise with this back to Parsippany, do a shoot with this, but the F40, the LaFerrari with the silver roof. Like, I've never seen that spec ever. And then over here we have Supercar Ron's old Pagani Huayra, and it's seeing this in person. I haven't seen this car. I've seen their F40 before they bought it. I may or may not, allegedly, have snuck into a place, but this car has been filled with 50, 60 bananas.
What?
Really odd, but it has. Cold start on a Pagani Huayra Roadster. Every time I see a Pagani would be nothing without Lamborghini. Pagani also would be nothing without AMG, that AMG powerhouse, and then Lamborghini firing Ferruccio Pagani. I probably butchered that, but it's because of carbon fiber. And now look at this, carbon fiber everywhere. You see it on all the cars. This thing is absolutely stunning. Even that, carbon fiber. They're all carbon fiber. Definitely a special car. It is actually such a special car, this Pagani Huayra. It is a stunning car. Minus a Pagani Huayra and gain a LaFerrari. This thing is absolutely stunning. This guy's leaving as well, but it's so sick seeing LaFerrari with a silver roof. You never see it. Such a stunning car. It looks like a bug from above. If you haven't seen the video where I shot a LaFerrari out of a trailer, that video, that's pretty sick. Something unreal. But oh, gotta love the La. So we're leaving here very shortly, but quickly, this Koenigsegg has 1,304 horsepower. I'm pretty sure that's only on E, but this interior with that wraparound windshield, the Agera is just such a timeless car. This car is gonna be the F40 one day. It's absolutely stunning what this car is going to be. The carbon fiber is covered in pollen right now, and there's just dirt coming from off the trees into his car, which he was saying we're gonna shoot it with a ton of pollen on it, and he was like, oh, it's gonna be carbon fiber, but it's gonna be a good shoot overall. We have a bunch of photographers coming, so if you guys are watching this video, here's some of them right here. These are actually some of the photographers that are coming, but we're gonna shoot it. Look at this gold leaf. He was saying he doesn't really like it. Like, if he spec'd this car, he likes it on it because it's the blue and the gold and then the brown, but if he spec'd it, he wouldn't have added the gold leaf. That is actual 24 karat gold as well, but like, dude, the Koenigsegg. I love that third brake light. It's a Ghost Squadron. You can't beat it. You can't beat Koenigseggs. This Koenigsegg Agera, I can't get over it. I can't believe we're going to shoot this very shortly. But look at it just hitting the early sun, and that sound of that twin turbo V8, 1,340 horsepower, the Koenigsegg Agera. You can't beat it. Okay, but he's leaving that way, and we gotta run that way. Sorry to snake everyone's shot, but there's photographers absolutely everywhere. There's like 30 people here, rightfully so, for the Koenigsegg Agera. I mean, it's a Koenigsegg. What is that? What? Out of absolutely nowhere. My bad, guys. This thing is sick. I love this thing. This is so cool. It is interrupted. I don't even know what this is, but the Koenigsegg. That is so funny. That is. What? Is this a high traffic bridge, you think?
Yeah.
Oh. Who? All right. Fair enough. Yeah. Now everyone doesn't want photos of the Koenigsegg. They want a photo of the... Okay. Makes sense. This makes sense. Complete sense. Almost getting run over by a Koenigsegg. There it is. Yeah, you're good right there. I don't know how this happened, but there is just car after car. I guess this is a high traffic area, but like, this is basically a whole car meet, and it's just more photographers coming and coming. This maybe wasn't the best idea to do like 3 minutes away. We should have done the castle spot, but it is what it is. This, I can't complain. This Agera is absolutely stunning. I shoot hypercars. This kid in the Audi right here just keeps bobbing and weaving through traffic. He almost hit me just to get a shot. Like, I get it. Like, it's a Koenigsegg. I would be doing the exact same shame I have. It's just don't crash into people almost. Like, it's actually not cool. It's not okay. It's just a really crappy feeling. Honestly, with that being said, the Subi does look proper. Look at that third brake light that we installed recently. Thing looks proper, but oh geez. With that being said, hope you guys enjoy. Almost getting run over by a Koenigsegg.